What's the matter, Regalia? Yes? Pardon? What do you want to tell me? Pardon me? You want up? You want to come up? Well, why don't you come up the stairs? Are Dana's feet on your stairs? Is that the problem? Is that the problem? Dana's feet were blocking your stairs? You gonna come up? Regalia? Are you angry now? Pardon me?
I can't believe it. The wind's still